SWIRL is a private federated search engine for law firms. It sends user questions out to existing systems like iManage and Microsoft Office. Then it re-ranks the responses using AI to find the most relevant, saving you a ton of time and effort. SWIRL requires no curation, ingestion, or data duplication. It uses existing security to ensure that users see only what they're authorized to see, nothing more or less. And if you want to use an LLM, you can integrate SWIRL with any of them, including OpenAI models privately deployed in Azure, avoiding vendor lock-in and surprising per-token charges. Now let's take a look at it. For starters, your firm's logo will be here instead of SWIRL. Users log in with their existing Microsoft, Google Workspace, Okta, Ping Federate, or other single sign-on authority. There's no need to remember yet another username and password. From here, users arrive at SWIRL's search page. They can click the profile icon to see what sources they're logged into. They can click Connect All to refresh those connections, logging into each source as required. From here, users can click the source selector to see what's available. They can use this pull-down list to target any source or set of sources, including source collections like #internal prior to searching. Now, let's use SWIRL to speed through cases, getting answers to questions that come from different documents and repositories. Let's put in a search term, like the fictional name of a client with a legal complaint. Then click the search button. SWIRL responds with the first 10 of 18 results found across the web, Box, Manage, and OneDrive. Each result includes a linked title, author, and a snippet from the document with the matching keywords highlighted, along with the URL. SWIRL places the most relevant items at the top of the list using AI to re-rank. It also puts a star next to each most relevant item so you know it's worth reviewing. There's also a publication date for each item. To sort by date, click the View By control and select it. There are a few other choices here you can explore. Confidence is the default, and let's leave it on that for now. To filter results to just one source, click the checkbox in the source filter. This will immediately restrict the result view to just results from that source. Another feature is the ability to view extra fields that may be attached to any source or document. Click Show All Details to toggle this on or off across results, or use the Show Details link on a single item. Here are some hidden fields from iManage, for example. Now, let's use OpenAI GPT-4.1 deployed privately on our own Azure tenant to answer questions and verify them. For starters, users can select a prompt from the pull-down list. The default prompt will use the search results with the retrieval augmented generation technique to summarize the data or answer the user's question, and provide deep link citations that should help with verification. Your firm may provide other prompts for a variety of purposes as well. Let's leave the default for now. Now let's type in a question. In this case, asking the LLM to extract the legal authorities and normalize them to Blue Book format. Finally, we'll click the Generate AI Response switch. This will cause SWIRL to fetch the most relevant documents, extract the full text, and send it to the LLM. Here's the response from the LLM, including the summary of the data found in the requested format. We can rate this response using the thumbs up, thumbs down control at the bottom. It looks good to me, but if it didn't, you could select from a list of reasons or provide your own. There are also a list of LLM-generated follow-up questions, which you can click to get the answer to. Most importantly, there are citations. Let's click this one. Now we're taken to a new browser tab and the source document. We're at the location where the text contributing to the output appears, so we can now confidently use that AI summary, knowing it's correct. Let's ask another question. Identify the distinct legal allegations and summarize them in a specific format. It takes less than 20 seconds to get this detailed output, and you can see the Blue Book format normalizing all of the citations. Let's ask another question. Extract the procedural assertions, including filing dates and jurisdiction, and arrange them in a timeline. And here's the answer, again with follow-up questions and citations. Now, let's focus SWIRL on internal documents in one source, OneDrive. I'll click the OneDrive checkbox in the source filter. Notice the number of results just dropped down to 2. Those are only relevant documents found in OneDrive. Now, I can ask SWIRL to summarize the case handling procedures for this matter, and I get the answer just from OneDrive documents. And of course, I can instantly verify that. Here's the relevant portion of the Word document stored in OneDrive, retrieved by SWIRL and summarized by OpenAI. Your firm can deploy SWIRL on a virtual machine in your own Azure tenant in minutes using our Azure Marketplace offer. Just click Get It Now. To find the offer, follow the link in the comments on this video or search the Azure Marketplace for SWIRL Legal. Then visit our website, swirllegal.com, to start your trial. As a reminder, SWIRL is a private search engine for law firms. It federates user questions to existing systems like iManage and Microsoft Office, then re-ranks using AI to find the very best results and save you a ton of time. SWIRL requires no curation, ingestion, or data duplication and uses existing security to ensure users see only what they're authorized to see. Firms that want to use an LLM, as we just demonstrated, can integrate SWIRL with virtually all of them, avoiding vendor lock-in and surprising per-token charges. Please visit our website for more information about SWIRL. Many thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and have a great day.